In this video, we'll discuss string manipulation. Techniques offered by Python like operators and methods. Python strings are stored in memory by storing individual characters in contiguous memory locations. The memory locations of string characters are given indexes. Python strings are sequence of characters which is enclosed between single quotes, double quotes or triple quotes. Python strings are immutable means variables are not like storage containers with fixed memory address where value changes every time. Each character has a unique index and the index of a string begin from 0 to length -1 in forward direction and -1 -2 minus length in backward direction. As you can see in the following example, index starts from 0 ends at 4 and in negative index starts with -5 ends with -1. Traversal of a sequence means accessing and processing each element of it. Each character of a string can be accessed sequentially. To create a string, simply we have to assign a value to it. Here str is equal to computer science and print str will simply print computer science. Print string 0 will print C because C is at index 0. str1:4 will print OMP. We can use greater than, less than equal to compare two strings. Python compares string lexicographically using ASCII value of the characters. As we know, the ordinal value of 0 to 9 is 48 to 57. Capital A to capital Z 65 to 90 and small a to small z 87 to 122. Here we are comparing Maria and Monos. The first two characters are same but the third character contains R and N. ASCII value of R is more than the ASCII value of N. Hence string 1 is greater than string 2. Print Maria is equal to Monos will give us a false value. Maria not equal to Monos will give true. Small a greater than ABC will give false. Capital ABC greater than equal to small abc. As we know, the ordinal value of capital A is smaller than small a. Maria less than Monos will give false because ordinal value of R is more than ordinal value of N. Likewise, we can compare any string. String value can be updated by reassigning another value in it. In this case, variable 1 contains COMP space SC. We are adding with Python class 11th, then the updated string will be ComScience with Python class 11th. Plus is concatenation operator which will add the two strings. Triple quote is used to create a string with multiple lines, as you can see in the following example. Now we'll discuss some special operators of string. First one is concatenation operator which will add the two strings. First plus second will give comp SC. Second operator is replicate same string multiple times. Here first *2 will replicate COMP 2 times. String slice means part of a string containing some contiguous characters from the string. First, within square bracket 1:4 will give OMP. This is what we call string slice. There are two membership operators in, not in. We can also format a string by using format symbols. Percentage %s is used for string conversion. Percentage %i is used for signed decimal integer. Percentage %u for unsigned decimal integer. Percentage %o for octal integer. Percentage $x for hexadecimal integer. Percentage $X for hexadecimal integer. Uppercase letters. Percentage %e for exponential notation. Percentage $E for uppercase exponential notation. Percentage %f for floating point real number. Percentage %c for character. Percentage %g for sorter of. Percentage %f and percentage %e. Now we'll discuss some string functions. Here a is equal to computer. Len function will return the length of the string. In this case, the length is 8. Capitalize function will capitalize the first letter of the string. It will make C capital. Title function will make the first letter capital. And upper function will make the string in uppercase. Lower function will make the string in lowercase. String count will count the given element in a string. Here a dot count o will give 1 because in computer only one o is there. Count function also count the number of occurrence of a substring in a string. Find method, it returns the lowest index in the string where the substring is found within the slice range from start to end. If the substring is not found, then it will return -1. Here a dot find m will give 2 because m is in the position 2. As we know, index starts from 0. Replace method returns a copy of the string with all occurrence of substring old replaced by new string. Here in this example, b is equal to my computer and we are replacing my with your and output will be your computer. b dot replace within bracket my comma your will do this job. Index method will return the index position of the substring. Here b dot index om will return 4. In this case, if the substring is not found, then we will get value error. Substring not found. In isElnum method, only alphanumeric characters are checked and it will return true if only alphanumeric characters are there. In this case, a.elnum will return true. IsAlpha method will return true if string consists of only alphabetical characters, no symbols. Lstrip method returns a copy of a string with leading characters removed. Rstrip remove specific character from the trailing position and strip removes both the leading and trailing position characters. Lstrip remove white spaces from leftmost end. Rstrip remove white spaces from rightmost end and strip will remove from both left and right end. Split method splits a string and returns a list containing split strings as members. Partition method split the string at the first occurrence of separator and returns a tuple containing 3 items: the part before the separator itself, and the part after the separator. A is equal to I enjoy working in Python and the separator is working. I enjoy working and in Python are the items of tuple. Ends with method will return true if string ends with substring s1. Here str is equal to welcome to Python and it ends with thon. Print str ends with thon will return true. Starts with will return true if the string starts with substring s1. str dot starts with good will return false because good is not there in str. Find function will return the lowest index from where s1 starts in the string. If string not found, then it will return -1. Print str find com will return 3 because com is at index 3. rfind will find the highest index, which is 15 in this case. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.